Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to know who unfollow you on TikTok. How to know who unfollow you on TikTok. So let's start. You launch your TikTok app. You go to where your profile is. Here you see following, followers, and like. Like means the pictures that you have liked. Followers mean those who follow you. And following means those you are following. So here, when you see your followers as reducing and you want to know those who unfollow you, first you click on following. Here, look at something. Here are the people who are I'm following. So if I follow the person has to follow me back. If I follow the person and the person follow me back, and later the person unfollow me, and want to know the person who did that. Here, in launch your TikTok app and you're going to follow me. Let me show you something. Here, you see there's a human head or something like that. You see there's arrow left, arrow right. It means the person I follow, she also follow me. The person I follow, she also follow me. So you see here too, the person I follow, he also follow me. So if you want to know those who didn't follow you or who follow you and later unfollow you, let me show you something here. Here, you see this guy. When you click, you see there's a human and it has stick. It means I have followed him and he is not following me, or he has followed me and later unfollow me. He has followed me and later unfollow me. So this is how to know who unfollow you on TikTok. Thank you. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.